Hello everyone, welcome to the Life Science Insider. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a research entrance test for the admission to PhD program in the Banasthali Vidyapith. So basically this Banasthali Vidyapith, it's a university present in the Rajasthan, and a brief introduction about this Banasthali Vidyapith University. So it is dedicated for the woman education, and it is one of the great university. It is accredited by NAC as A++, and also by the Ministry of Education as A category. And so overall, this is a best university. However, the boys cannot apply here. Okay, so for the admission, the programs Vidyapith will organize an online entrance test on 23rd June 2024, and all those interested in admission should register for the RET examination. The details of the syllabus, mode of the examination, pattern of the question paper, etc. Has been uploaded in this website. So the date of the RET examination is 23rd June 2024, and the timing will be 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So it's a kind of like 3 hour examination. And yes, as you know, this 23rd June will be the examination. Okay, so the last date for the submission of completed online registration form is 18th June. Today is 11th June, and only like 7 days are remaining for filling of this examination. And if you get any kind of confusions regarding these entrance test or examination pattern or whatever the things, so the here are the contact details given for the queries for the resolution of the queries. This from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, and also the email address has also been given. So the important instructions, let's see what are the important instructions. Okay, so yeah, so eligibility is just like as same it is what recently UGC have told us, that if aspirant who has obtained 1 year 2 semester master degree program after the 4 year bachelor degree program, or otherwise a 2 year 4 semester master degree program after a 3 year bachelor degree. Okay, so like 3 year bachelor degree, that like for example, if you have done the BSc and MSc, you are eligible. If you have done the BTech and also in the first year of the masters, you are eligible. So this kind of thing are there. So the minimum qualification will be 55 aggregate marks, equivalent CGPA. For the STSC it will be 50%, and if you have the national eligibility test, you are good to go. So so the candidate that's seeking admission for 4 year 8 semester examination program should have the minimum of 75% in its equivalent grade or point scale. Okay, and let's get into the more important thing, that okay, every candidate has to appear in the research entrance test except the Department of Performing Arts, Visual Arts, Design and Architecture. Qualifying the RET examination is mandatory requirement for the enrollment, and until that stage the admission shall be treated as provisional. And the more important thing that then this is that exemption from the requirement of appearing in the RET examination. A PhD aspirant who has qualified NET examination, SLET examination, GATE examination, GPAD examination, or having the MPhil with the 55%, okay, so may be exempted from the research entrance test. That doesn't mean that you will not fill the form for the RET examination. Okay, you have to fill the form for the RET examination, but if you have the NET, you will not go through the examination. Okay, you will be exempted from that. So the duration of the research entrance test will be 2 hours. Okay, okay, so it's from the 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. only. Okay, so 11 to 12, 12 to 1. Yeah, so the duration of the cancer work, the coursework exam is 2 hours, and the mode of the examination will be online. Negative marking will not be there, and the pattern of the RET question paper is total 100 multiple choice questions are there. All be carrying the equal marks. 50 questions for the research aptitude and 50 questions for the relevant subject. For example, if you are belonging to the life science, you will have the 50 questions to be answered from your subject. So passing criteria, entrance test shall be qualifying with the qualifying marks as 50%. The relaxation of the 5% from 50% to the 45% shall be allowed for the candidates belonging to the reserved categories. Okay, so the eligible students to be called for the interview based on the number in the PhD seats available. The admission shall be based on combined merit, 70% marks in entrance test and the 30% of interview. Okay, so you just have to clear the net clear the red examination, and the 30% will be for your interview, and you will be easily get into this. Okay, so the pattern of the coursework examination, so total 40 multiple choice questions in the every paper. Okay, so some papers will be coming from this, like some questions will be coming from the research methodology that is been that is a basic thing that we that people ask in the interview, right? For the also in the entrance test. So IT based research techniques, research and publication ethics, a review of literature, they will be asking the questions from them. So the passing criteria, a PhD scholar has to obtain at least a minimum of 55% of the marks or its equivalent grade in the UGC 7-point scale, or in the equivalent grade CGPA in the point scale, where the grading system is followed in the coursework in order to be eligible to continue in the program. So after clearing this RET examination, and after getting shortlisted for the interview, after clearing the interview, you will go through a coursework. Okay, so you will be reading you will be studying the whole coursework, whatever the things will. So in the coursework there will be research methodology, and these four things, okay, up to the review of literature. And after that you will have to give an examination. It must be like 6 months or 4 months of coursework, then only you will be continuing the program. Okay, now let's get into the other thing. What are the detailed syllabus? Yeah, so syllabi for the different subjects for the Banasthali PhD entrance test are here. So for the computer science, the logical reasoning, data interpretation, a lot of things are there. I'll be giving you the link in the description, so you can read all about all of this. Okay, and there are unit, a lot of things are being given here. So we'll be focusing on more of the life science here. So let's see what is they are offering. This is the syllabus for the mathematics, for the statistics, and for the electronics, also physics, and automation is there also there. This, yeah, so the thing is, electronics, power system, mechanical engineering, bioscience and biotechnology, that we are focusing right now. So the in the research methodology, they will be asking meaning of research, objective of research, motivation in research, type of research, a lot of things they will be asking, and the subjects which will be they ask. So basically, if you look at the syllabus, you get to know about that. So it is same as it is in the CSIR net life science syllabus. It is same, like for example, diversity of life science, they have given in the number one. However, it comes in the ninth unit. Okay, the biochemistry and biophysics, basically this biochemistry comes in the first unit. Cell and the molecular biology is the second and the third unit. So it is more or less, it is very same. So you can prefer the syllabus of the CSIR net examination of life science. So yeah, so a detailed structure also been given here, so you can look at that. Okay, now let's get a lot of things are there. Chemistry is all the subjects are there. You can check what subjects you want to apply, and look at that. So now we done with the important instructions, detailed syllabus. Now the fee notice. What is the fee notice? Let's, okay, so they are saying विद्यापीठ द्वारा आयोजित की जाने वाली शोध प्रवेश परीक्षा एंड रिसर्च इंटरेस्ट टेस्ट एवं कोर्स वर्क में उपस्थित होने वाले शोधार्थियों से लिया जाने वाला शुल्क निम्न प्रकार संशोधित किया जाता है. So examination fee for the research entrance test is 1500. Okay, examination fee for the coursework will be also 15%, 1500. Okay, so it is applied from 1st May 2023. Okay, so 1500 they are asking for the entrance test form, and online registration for the research interest test RET. Okay, This is the most important link I'll be giving in the description also. So from here you can fill the form. It is very easy. It's just a Google form. Okay, you can fill form through this, and yeah, you are good to go. You'll have to put your official email, candidate name, father name, all the whatever they are asking, you just fill it. And in which department you want to get into the PhD, you can do it. Okay, please fill the form very accurately. Do not do any kind of mistakes. Once the form will be submitted, you cannot do the another submission, right? Because you will have to pay the payment also, right? So yeah, one thing is that every candidate has to appear in the research interest except for the department of this and a PhD aspirant who has qualified the NET in the following examinations. But you have to fill the form. However, you will not be appearing in the examination if you have the this any kind of given examinations. So which department you want to apply, which subject you want to apply, and most beautiful thing about this is that you will be appearing in the examination through online mode. So it's a good choice to apply for this because you will be in your home. However, you will be proctored by the any kind of applications you will be installing, but it's in the comfort of your home, so you can be relaxed and you can give the examination and you can clear the examination. And also here they have given the information about their bank account and a lot of things. So transaction detail, whatever the reference number after the paying the UPI or any kind of payment mode you are choosing, so you can do it. Okay, and then attach your passport size photo, then click to the submit. Okay, now you're good to go. And whenever they will give whenever they will be organizing, okay, in the 23rd June they are organizing the examination, you will be giving this examination. And if you fall in the net category, you will not appear the examination only, you will be going for the interview only. So this is the whole information about. Okay, so the online registration with the coursework. So the people who are pursuing the research work right now, they will be appearing for. So this is not of your use. However, you can, if you have any query, you can contact these following numbers that are being given into the website. I'll be giving every link into the description. And so thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't want to miss any kind of information or opportunity related to the PhD admission, entrance test, opportunity of project recruitment, please consider subscribing this channel. And not to forget, we also provide the preparations and lecture for the national CSIR net examinations of life science, gate, BT, Excel, DBT, ICMR, ICAR, set examination, everything related to the biology, you will be finding us. So thank you so much. Have a good day.